Hello, good morning. Am I audible to you guys? Hello,
Assalamu alaikum, audible, sir.
Walaikum Assalam. Great. All right. So, how was weekend? All well?
Yeah, great, sir.
All right. So, shall we start? Like last week, we concluded on lead generation process. So, in case any one of you have any queries on that, please let me know. I've seen a post in the WhatsApp group by Saf. Can you please let me know, Saf, what is exactly what problem you are facing exactly?
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
I got this warning message on the
Mhm. So
uh,
what are the fields that you have created in terms of when you are trying to capture the form?
uh, normal fish name, email,
Mhm.
phone number, company name.
Okay, then I think it's sometimes it says that you should not repeat similar kind of questions. That happens, but it may not stop your campaign to happen. Okay, so most likely it will be approved and it will be processing for that. That's it.
Okay. And one more one more query.
Yeah, please.
Once we have the form and we have saved the form, so
Mhm.
can we go back and edit the form if we are making some ad center or
you have to duplicate the form. I'm like, so once form created for that particular campaign, you may not be able to edit that form. So what you have to do, you have to pause that campaign, recreate the form, and then have to use that in the ad.
this we can do in ad manager.
Yes, you
But
can.
but if you're doing from ad center or from
Just from ad center there is it's not possible. From ad center you have to, I'm like, because it's a very limited kind of form facilities that is there, so you can create it then there over there in ad center.
and one more question.
Yeah, please.
When we allot the field in form,
Come again, your voice is quite low.
uh, if if we are creating a form
Mhm.
and there are number of fields, so
Mhm.
if I want to make some field as optional for the consumer and some field as a mandatory to be filled,
Mhm.
you know, uh, like suppose the phone number field should be mandatory that he should compulsory fill it.
Mhm.
And some of the fields like name and all is an option. So can we do this?
No, I'm like the form fields what you feel is mandatory, you just ask those questions only. Don't make it lengthy, which may be optional. So optional things, when it is optional, please don't put that kind of thing on Facebook form. And you don't have any option in terms of making any field optional or compulsory. Whatever the field that you are putting up, it's understood that it is mandatory and minimum requirement that you are looking for. Once they complete these, then only they will be able to submit the form, otherwise not.
Okay. So, but we don't have this option of doing
No,
that.
no, we don't.
And uh, when we when we create this form and and I tried to respond it, but I couldn't see the save form in the,
Not able to understand your question again. Can you please repeat?
so I created this form
Okay.
in from publishing tool.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. after saving the form, when you try to recall this form,
Mhm.
I couldn't see the form which I've created from publishing to. I mean,
It-
it takes some time to
No, it
click on
doesn't
that.
take, no, it doesn't take any time. It's instant. The moment you complete a form creation on a publishing tool, it instantly it will be there, and you can go to the publishing tool and you can preview it. You can submit the form. You can also see how form details are coming. So you get an option to preview it. You get an option to submit. Like you can fill up the fields and then it will be submitted. You will see that there is lead which has came as well. So everything is instant.
And in the list of the forms that we have created, some of them, the sharing option, the sharing column, some
Right.
of them, they, they are coming as open and some are restricted.
Hmm. So what happens when you are creating a form? There only you get two options at the top. Right. Maximize reach is like you will get an option once you enable that, then probably it is more of a sharing basis, otherwise it's a closed.
Okay. Uh, thank you.
Yeah. Anyone else has anything to ask for?
Assalamu
Balance from
Sir,
yeah.
while making the payment, I'm getting the issue, sir. I want to share the screen.
Please.
Is it visible?
Yeah, it is.
This is there.
So had you made any frequent changes, or because I think you posted this in the group as well.
Yes, sir. I have.
So you made any frequent changes or what? Because I don't think anyone else has faced this kind of problem.
No, I just followed the step. The,
Okay.
in the first while boosting that itself, I got this error.
Mhm. Close it. Okay. So in the payment settings, go down, hold on. One error. Daily budget, we found one error, right? So you improve this. First, you improve this. 76 rupees or something. 76 rupees you can make it. 76. So you go to this 100 rupees where it is changing. Next to that, there is a pen button. You can edit over there. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's
Yes.
okay. Yeah. Right. I don't think it will work out. No, it is not. It is not taking. So what we have to do, we have to go to this payment setting option, and then from there we can only work it out. So what you do, probably you go to Ad Manager. You go to Ad Manager. You are open with the Ad Manager, right? You have opened Ad Manager. Next to no, this tab previous to Facebook, just after YouTube. Yeah, right. You close this. Done. Extreme left corner you will find, right? So this is something which is showing setup error. Now you try to work out from here, or there is a button. Let me showcase. Uh, in the left side panel, you will find there is one. Yeah, come down. Yeah, click on that settings. Right here you have this payment option. I'm like there is a flag and then payment. Yes. So again, it is going with the same thing. No, I think some error that has happened while setting or something. Because this is not disabled so far, so you can. I'll look into that because payment settings. I don't think that will be an issue, but still.
again share this screenshot on WhatsApp groups.
Yeah, that's okay. I'll cross check it and then come back to you.
Thank you, sir.
You go to this edit option, business information, sorry. Vani,
Yes, sir. I'm-
can you please reshare your screen? Yeah. And then go to this payment option, business information, edit information. Yeah, here only. Business info. Right side, right side. Yeah, edit. No, come down. Come down. Here. Business information, which is saying here. I'm buying ads for business purpose. Okay, GST, PAN, okay, everything. By taking this box, okay, so this is okay. Yeah, save. So this is a consistent problem with you. Okay, we'll try to identify and come back to you. Yeah, that's okay. Anyone else has made something on this? और किसी ने कुछ ट्राई किया है इस चीज को लेके?
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Assalam Salwa.
Yes, sir. What issue? Even I faced the same difficulty, though I was not proceeding to pay, but the same thing. Well, besides that, I did work. I'll share the screen.
Mhm.
See the same thing. Even I'm facing this.
Mhm. Okay.
And then the way you said to make a form.
Mhm.
So I did both by Ad Center as well as by
Okay.
this one also. Yes.
Business manager. Yeah.
Let me preview from here.
Mhm. Right.
I have given MCQ questions and couple of just simple answers,
Right.
short answer questions.
Right.
That's it.
Mhm.
And even did this via Ads Manager to explore more options.
Mhm.
And the form I tried adding it also. But here one query which I faced was, this was telling me regarding my page. Here, 1 minute. Here.
Mhm.
Is it that because I have to wait for it to get accepted, then I can proceed?
No. So what you have to do, you have to go to view terms. You can see it.
Returns.
I agree.
Okay. Then
It's done. You can see.
restart. I think it's important.
No, this is
Is it?
this is not required. Keep
Yes.
back is not required. Right. So
Reset.
what your start date is in the past, so
Yes.
you have to. It is all right. That's it.
Yes.
Yeah, that's.
Done. Then the second one,
Mhm.
term services. I think this will take some time to get
Yeah.
accepted.
Yeah.
Correct. Added the form as well.
Hmm.
Done. That's it.
Yeah. Okay.
I can see two of my first one was the previous one, and the second one is the lead generation one.
Yeah, yeah. Draft is in draft. Okay.
Yes. That's it, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. So anyone else has anything that they have done? One you have already shared. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, there's some internet issue at my side. I will try to show, but if in case I don't respond, then there is a flag.
Right, right. Okay. And like it says that it's still in the sharing mode. So, but screen has not started showing. Maybe.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Share here. I think some issue with Shahriar. How about others? Aslam, Fatima, Adiba, Purvez. Yeah. Anything to showcase, or shall we move on to the next? I think Shahriar has some internet issue. Other than that, उनके अलावा और कोई कुछ दिखाना चाह रहे हैं?
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum Aslam.
Sir, unfortunately, I forgot to save the changes. I directly cancelled the order. Sorry, maybe tomorrow I'll show
Okay,
again.
that's okay. That's okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. So far we had been discussing about LinkedIn and Instagram, which more or less you guys are up to, except one or two minor issues which are coming up. So on a similar platform, there is something on a Twitter as well, but the Twitter accepts USD payment only, but still it's better to understand Twitter as well. And then we'll be moving towards LinkedIn. Hope I have not discussed with you guys on Twitter, right? So like on Instagram, Facebook, or any other platform, we can also do advertisement on Twitter. Right, but to create something on Twitter, we have to follow very simple, and the way that we did it on Instagram. Unlikely in Instagram, we had to shift our personal account to professional account or business account. Here, nothing like that sort of thing is there. So what we have to do, the moment you create a Twitter interface, it asks for this kind of thing. So you will find number 1, 2, 3, 4. So on this screen, on one, it is basically the icon that you want to put on. So you can keep your image, you can keep your company image, however it is. but the icon, the profile icon, or should be in 400 by 400. Sorry, right. And then the cover page has to be in 1500 by 500. To make this cover page, you again have to go back to Canva. Canva पे जाके आप Twitter cover आप search कर सकते हैं, and then you can make that, and then using that you will be able to create your icon cover page. Okay, उसको करने के बाद so you have to update your icon and cover page, then followed by that name. All of us know that Twitter is mostly with @ an account. So you have to put your display name, and then followed by that, you have to put your biodata, a brief about your business or about yourself. So if you are making it for your business, then of course you're about your business. If you're making it for yourself, then you have to put approximately 160 characters that you can put as your biodata. And then this is about your name, your bio, and then followed by that, you can update rest of the informations. The moment you finish it off, you can actually post anything on Twitter, business related or your personal related, but you get a chance to pin something which is very important, to pin it at the top. You can see in the variable screen what is appearing at the right side. Right. So pinning a post on Twitter means, say for example, you have some offers which are going on, or some kind of promotional things that is going on, or your company information or something which is unique and you want it to be visible to the people. So you can pin that at the top. The advantage of pinning that at the top means whatever you are going to post it, that particular post will remain at the top, the rest will go down. So you can keep that changing. You can, it's not mandatory that you should pin every time you should pin a post at the top, but some offers or something promotional or some product launch, some kind of product launch that you are doing, you can always keep that at the top of the Twitter. Or you are doing the way that it has been written, that any cause or any charity, or you are organizing some event, you are organizing some kind of event. So all these things can be posted and can be pinned at the top. You can make changes in this pin, or once it is pinned at the top means usko jab aapne ऊपर आपने पिन कर दिया है, उसको आप अनपिन भी कर सकते हो. You get an option to unpin that as well. So step 1, you have to create with account on the Twitter with the icon and then cover page. Then you have to use Twitter name, biodata, and then you post it. Sorry guys. The way that you have seen that in Facebook and Instagram, we get an option. Similarly, on Twitter also, you get an option for reach maximization, video views, pre-roll, app installations, website clicks, engagement, followers, and then re-engagement. So you can choose any of the objective what you want, but more or less people try to do it for maximizing reach or maximizing followers. We can also do that for maximizing clicks and other things, but this is little costly, and sometimes it costs you $100 or something like that. On Twitter suggests that it's $100 or $200 for bare minimum budget. So I will not advise you to practice it in terms of putting that much of money, but at least practice in terms of what is the process and how you can create it till the last level, that it goes for the payment the way that you guys have done for Facebook as well. तो आप वहां तक जा सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं कि वहां पे क्या क्या चीजें हो रही हैं, and then from there you can go about it. So similarly, जैसे दूसरे प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे है, वैसे यहाँ पे भी आपके लिए है कि it can be in single image format, ads can be in single image format, video ads, carousel ad. Then it comes moment ad. मोमेंट ऐड क्या है कि आपके लाइफ का कोई एक मोमेंट है विच यू आर सेलिब्रेटिंग और यू वांट टू सेलिब्रेट, और दैट इज that has that is going to affect positively on your business side of it. Say for example ओपनिंग है या फिर कोई ऐसा मेगा सेल डे है या फिर बहुत बड़ा आपने कुछ अचीव किया है, यू लॉन्च अ प्रोडक्ट विद सम ब्रांड एम्बेसडर और वॉट एवर इट इज, राइट? तो वो जो मोमेंट है दैट यू कैन ऑल्सो क्रिएट इट. सो फेसबुक ऑल्सो सॉरी ट्विटर ऑल्सो गिव्स यू अ चांस टू क्रिएट मोमेंट एड्स which is a celebrative kind of thing. You can create a story, tweet and promote it. Or text ad, which is very basic. Like text ad, there is no option in Facebook and Instagram, but Twitter gives us an option to create text ad as well, जो कि सिर्फ text आएगा. Now, unlikely in other platform, Twitter suggests that at least you should create multiple variations of any post that you are creating or any ads that you are making. So when you are creating some variations means आपको कुछ image ad के format में बनाना होगा, video ad हो सकता है, carousel ad हो सकता है, या फिर text ad हो सकता है, right? So you have to create some variations in these. So what Twitter is saying, using 3 or more ad formats increases campaign awareness, right, by 20% and purchase intent by 7%. So thing is like we have to create multiple versions of an ad to see the effectiveness and performance of any ad which is happening and how it is happening, right? तो आपको multiple variations उसके अंदर create करना है, then accordingly you can make some outcome. You can actually differentiate कि किसका आपको कैसा outcome निकल के आ रहा है. इसके बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस के बारे में आता है. कीप योर ट्वीट कॉपी शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट, ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज यू हार्डली गेट 150 to 160 कैरेक्टर्स. तो उस कैरेक्टर के अंदर आपको ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव टू कीप इट शॉर्ट. इंक्लूड ए स्ट्रॉन्ग कॉल टू एक्शन. एज आई हैड बीन टेलिंग राइट फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट, जब हम लोग कैनवा पे बैनर बना रहे थे या कुछ भी हम लोग वर्कआउट कर रहे थे, कि कॉल टू एक्शन हमारा बटन स्ट्रांगली प्रोमिनेंटली विजिबल होना चाहिए, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाट इन ट्विटर आल्सो इट्स रिक्वायर्ड कि कॉल टू एक्शन हो सकता है वो फोन नंबर हो सकता है विजिट टू योर वेबसाइट हो, या ट्वीटिंग हो, जो भी हो, या फिर वहां पे कमेंट करने का आप ऑप्शन दे रहे हैं. सो वॉट एवर इट इज, कॉल टू एक्शन हैज टू बी वेरी प्रोमिनेंटली विजिबल. कन्वे अ सेंस ऑफ अर्जेंसी. Unlike on Twitter, people come with some kind of interest और एक पर्टिकुलर माइंडसेट के लोग ही ज्यादातर ट्विटर पे आते हैं. यू वोंट फाइंड दैट all general people coming on Twitter and they are doing the exercises, right? So audience is very mature. So to them, unless until you don't create a sense of urgency, और sense of urgency create करने के लिए आपको क्या करना है, आपको messaging के साथ play करना होगा, right? So that's what you have to do. Once you do that, उसके बाद आप अपने ad के performance को भी better महसूस कर सकते हैं, right? Incorporate a strong visual, play with video. of course ट्विटर के अंदर चूंकि इतना छोटा सा स्पेस रहता है और मोस्टली लोग मोबाइल पे देखते हैं, सो इट्स एडवाइजेबल टू प्ले विद द वीडियो. और वीडियो आपके बहुत ही छोटे अगर वीडियोस हों, 10 सेकंड का वीडियो है, 15 सेकंड का वीडियो है, मैक्सिमम 20 सेकंड का अगर वीडियो है, तो थोड़ा सा लोग उसको पूरी तरह से देखते भी हैं और उसको लाइक शेयर कमेंट जो भी करना होता है वो करते हैं. बट ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट आपको वीडियो बनाने के लिए आप कैनवा को भी यूज कर सकते हैं और उसी तरह से दूसरे प्लेटफॉर्म्स भी अवेलेबल हैं, जैसे डूडल है या फिर जो है पैंटून है, राइट? तो ये सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं जिसके ऊपर आप थोड़े से वीडियो बनाने के एक्सरसाइजेस कर सकते हैं. बट कैनवा गिव्स यू फ्री ऑप्शन. कैनवा के ऊपर काफी सारे वीडियोज अवेलेबल हैं, तो आप देख सकते हैं, राइट? यू कैन रन मल्टीपल ट्वीट्स एंड वेरी योर क्रिएटिव्स. यानी एक ही मैसेजिंग के लिए आप अलग अलग क्रिएटिव्स को आप यूज कर सकते हैं और यूज करते हुए आप उस मैसेजिंग को प्ले कर सकते हैं, यानी उसके साथ छेड़छाड़ करिए, खेलिए और फिर उसको मतलब वेरिएशंस क्रिएट करने के बाद आपको परफॉर्मेंस एक्सप्लोरेशन ज़्यादा होगा, ठीक है? उसके बाद डिफरेंट टारगेटिंग, जैसे हम लोगों ने फेसबुक और इंस्टा के अंदर टारगेटिंग किया, वैसे यहाँ पे भी आप अलग अलग ऑडियंस को टारगेट कर सकते हैं एंड देन यू कैन see the performance. Last, of course, you will be able to monitor all these things, right? Mostly जो ट्विटर पे किया जाता है, अगर बिजनेस के तौर पे अगर हम ट्विटर को यूज कर रहे हैं, तो ये 8 7-8 चीजें हैं जो कि ज्यादातर लोग ट्विटर पे करते हैं। एक तो ये है कि जो किसी और ने पोस्ट कर रखा है उसको आप रिस्पॉन्ड करें, ठीक है। दूसरी चीज है कि आप रिवार्ड करें। से फॉर एग्जांपल यू हैव समथिंग, इफ समवन इज reacting on your post, you want to reward something, maybe with any product offers or maybe some discount offers or whatever it is, right? So you want to reward it, you reward it. Now third important cheez hai demonstrate leadership. You should sound as if that you are thought leader of this particular industry or this particular product what you are marketing for, right? So I'm not saying that experience itna hona chahiye ya wo sari cheezein hona chahiye, but you should at least pretend that yes you are thought leader. उस तरह के कंटेंट भी आप शेयर कर सकते हैं, पोस्ट कर सकते हैं और फिर लोगों को गाइड कर सकते हैं। एंड whoever is contributing towards growth of your Twitter account, probably you just try to recognize them, right? Next is establish the right voice, means what is the right practice in your industry, उस तरह की चीजें आप पब्लिश कर सकते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, most common mistakes that people do while purchasing abaya, or most common kind of things that they should take care of while booking any event or going for an event in current scenario. For example, covid scenario के अंदर event के लिए अगर कोई schedule कर रहे हैं या करना चाह रहे हैं तो उनको किन किन चीजों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए। So there are always a positive, all these things might not get you sales instantly, immediate sales आपको नहीं मिलेगा, but at the same time you will be start creating right voice for your industry in and around, and people will start following you. Now next important thing is like you can share anything which is good happening in the industry or industry related news को भी आप share कर सकते हैं अपने Twitter account पे। okay, you can share on Twitter account, ये कर सकते हैं। उसके बाद है you can listen people, means whatever other brands are doing, you can actually follow them, you can engage that other brands, and then you can ask various questions and let people answer it. So when you are asking questions, people will respond. Similarly, when people have asked questions, you also try to respond it, right? So this is a cycle in which we have to work towards the success of our Twitter business profile, to make sure that it starts giving us result and it starts giving us the kind of outcome that we expect. So Twitter is more or less about it. So when you want to start some ad on Twitter, you have to log on to ads.twitter.com, right? And then you create all these interface, and then you will be able to explore it. Not very sure how interface of Twitter will respond on mobile, but yes, most of the time, as Twitter is an interface, people are running it on mobile. So Twitter and Instagram have more mobile friendly options available, whereas Facebook has more desktop friendly options which are available. So this is all about Twitter. And then so what I request you guys probably is to at least set up your account on Twitter and then explore all these things so that your Twitter account is also ready, and then reach up to the level where you can make all these adjustments and all, and then till the level of payment, and then from there till that level you can do that. So this is all about Twitter. So exercise for you guys for Twitter is basically to create your account on Twitter. Icon already you have made it. Cover page, you have to go to Canva and create a cover page of Twitter, and then you have to post it. Then आपको नाम create करना है, bio देना है, और उसके बाद various business informations, whatever you want to fill it, you have to do that, and then followed by that you have to create a post, pin it at the top. Multiple post करने के बाद आप एक post को आप top पे pin कर लीजिए, and then followed by that you have to work on either a small video or on various creatives and all, and then try to explore ads.twitter.com. So this is a part of Twitter. We'll be discussing about LinkedIn as well today. So जैसे Twitter के ऊपर है, उसी तरह से LinkedIn पे भी हम अपने business account को create कर सकते हैं और business रन कर सकते हैं। So these two things that will be covered today, and then followed by that we'll be discussing rest of the topics tomorrow. तो जैसे free account creation is also a good part in LinkedIn because it helps lot of guys to attract either to get right kind of job or to get right kind of people with whom to talk to so that they can connect. So more or less, I understand that all of you are aware of LinkedIn and must be having your profile on LinkedIn. Am I correct? आप लोगों का LinkedIn पे अकाउंट है या अभी आप लोगों ने क्रिएट नहीं किया है? I feel more or less most of you must be having it. Hello?
Yes, sir.
है, LinkedIn पे अकाउंट है?
Yes, sir.
क्या करते हो असलम? LinkedIn के बारे में आप क्या एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो? How, why you created it and how it is helping you? In case I can ask.
I have recently posted my one certificate of I have done a course, so I got a certificate of that course. So I have posted there. I have posted my certificate there, and after that I haven't opened that LinkedIn account.
Okay. Okay. और कोई?
सर ट्विटर पे ज्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज है लिंक्डइन से।
Okay. So this. What kind of opportunity you are talking about?
Sir, Twitter have more cool and good people around tech, and we can easily interact with them. Rather than LinkedIn is a bit complex and hard to connect there with people. And
Okay.
also there are uncles over there in LinkedIn. You can't find people of startups mostly. People of startups have shifted to Twitter long ago, sir.
Correct. Chalo. Good experience. So I understand that Shahryar, you have Twitter account, right? And you are active on it.
Yes, sir.
Good. और किसी का कोई experience with the Twitter or with LinkedIn? Okay. So any one of you have a LinkedIn account apart from Shahryar, what he has expressed, or I think Aslam has said something, right?
I do have a LinkedIn account, sir, but उसको
Not
ज़्यादा
active.
update नहीं करता.
Not active, huh?
Not active.
Right. और किसी का है कुछ? सलवा, अदीबा, क्या नाम है, रहमत और फातिमा, सैफ. Anyone else has LinkedIn account? Abdullah or Pervez? ठीक है, कोई नहीं. So basically understand that LinkedIn is a professional networking website where we actually try to work on establishing a personal profile with all professional certifications or professional achievement or accomplishments जो भी हैं उसको प्रोजेक्ट करने का ये प्लेटफॉर्म है. So it's more of a serious kind of platform, less of a casual kind of platform. And people expect serious kind of content on these platforms, especially LinkedIn. So, right. So let's see. In LinkedIn, the process remains same. That आप LinkedIn पे जाके वहाँ पे आप अपना प्रोफाइल क्रिएट करेंगे और प्रोफाइल क्रिएट करने के बाद ही आप बिजनेस अकाउंट, बिजनेस पेज आप क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. जैसे आप फेसबुक में पहले पर्सनल प्रोफाइल आपने क्रिएट किया, उस वहां से आप क्रिएट बिजनेस पेज आपने वहां से क्रिएट किया है, उसी तरह से लिंक्डइन पे भी आप पर्सनल प्रोफाइल क्रिएट करने के बाद ही लिंक्डइन पेज आप बिजनेस पेज क्रिएट कर सकते हो, राइट. It was started long back, right? And of course, based on professional approach, this is one of the pioneer in terms of people to people connection for professionals, but there are other platforms as well available in different countries which are sometimes more effective, sometimes this is more effective, but more or less आप ये समझिए कि लिंक्डइन के ऊपर ज्यादातर, जैसा शहरियार ने कहा कि भाई इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ अंकल टाइप ऑफ पीपल आर अवेलेबल ओवर देयर, तो ये फैक्ट है बिकॉज थोड़े से वो लोग जिनका की प्रोफाइल थोड़ा थोड़ा बड़ा है या फिर जिनका एक्सपीरियंस ज्यादा है, दे आर मोर यूटिलाइजिंग दीज प्लेटफॉर्म्स, और बहुत ज्यादा ये यानी वाई वी विल बी यूजिंग लिंक्डइन इज बेसिकली वहां पे लोग हैं जिनका कि आप पूरा बिजनेस प्रोफाइल, जिनका कि उनका पर्सनल प्रोफाइल आप देख सकते हो बिफोर यू गेट इन टच विद देम, राइट. से फॉर एग्जांपल, you are searching for someone who is HR manager of a particular company, you can actually browse through that. ठीक है, आप गूगल, आप जो है लिंक्डइन पे सर्च कर सकते हैं. If you are a product manufacturer and want to reach out some procurement heads of particular company, right, तो आप लिंक्डइन के ऊपर सर्च करके प्रोफाइल्स को आइडेंटिफाई करके फिर उनके प्रोफाइल को पहले आप पढ़ सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं कि whether that particular guy is really of use to you or not. उसको देखने के बाद आप उनको कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं और you can send invitation to them saying that you want to be connected with them for certain topic, for certain reason, right. तो यहाँ पे भी बहुत सारी चीजें आप कर सकते हैं जो कि लिंक्डइन पे फॉर न्यू प्रोजेक्ट्स या फिर इस तरह की एक्टिविटीज के लिए आप कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे कोई एक मैसेज आया है, लेट मी सी व्हाट इट इज. So I have, okay, Fatima is, okay. So what you can do, you can connect and engage with the current or potential clients and associates. Yes, there is a possibility. And somehow my personal experience on LinkedIn is a little better in terms of connecting to the top decision makers. And then we use it more for B2B lead generation process or B2B connections, business to business level of connections, more able to make more connections on this and then converge with them and then finally convert them into business as well. Similarly, you can create online community around you and your organization based on your interest or your organization, what you are doing. You can create some kind of online community groups आप बना सकते हैं and then you can ask people to contribute in that. Right, you can also be a part of various other groups which are available where business talks are happening. People are posting their requirements, business requirements. वहाँ पे लोग post कर रहे हैं और उसको आप respond भी कर सकते हैं. Similarly, get found of people who you are looking for your service. You are into service, you are a service provider and you want to provide service to someone or a particular kind of people or certain sets of people. You can actually reach them out based on the industry, based on company, based on their interest, right. You can promote the content you create, including webinar, guide, blogs, articles, presses and all. तो LinkedIn के अंदर एक ऑप्शन होता है कि आप अपने आर्टिकल्स को क्रिएट कर, you can write articles, you can post it and then you can circulate it. You can share that in your network as well, right. अगर आप कोई वेबिनार कर रहे हैं तो वो भी आप वहाँ पे क्रिएट कर सकते हैं and then you can invite people to join that. Right, so your blog, you can write blogs on it, you can post article on it and then you can circulate that in your group. So these opportunities which are there, and good part is आप LinkedIn और Twitter को दोनों को connect कर सकते हो. So whatever you are posting on LinkedIn, it can also go to your Twitter account. So जैसे आपके Facebook पे जो आप post कर रहे हैं, if you connect Insta along with Facebook, so posts on Facebook will also go to Insta. Similarly, post on LinkedIn will also go to Twitter if you can connect it. So क्या है two side of LinkedIn? One is business where recruitment, attracting talent is one part. How people are using LinkedIn for their businesses. Lot of corporates, they are using LinkedIn account to attract young talents and then they actually try to go with LinkedIn. Sometimes वो ये भी करते हैं कि when they are asking for a profile or people to apply, they ask for LinkedIn profile as well. because most of the time LinkedIn profiles are more professional. आपने क्या किया है, क्या आपका डेट ऑफ बर्थ है, फेसबुक पे हो सकता है. I'm like it is happening in India or I'm not sure about other side of the country, other side of the world, but ऐसा होता है कि आपका एक्चुअल डेट ऑफ बर्थ कुछ होता है बट सर्टिफिकेट के ऊपर कुछ और डेट ऑफ बर्थ होता है, राइट. So you celebrate those things on a Facebook and Instagram, whereas LinkedIn के ऊपर जो आपका सर्टिफिकेट्स का है वो आप मेंशन करते हो, जिस कंपनी में आपने काम किया है, जिस साल तक आपने डिग्री किया है, बीटेक किया है या एमबीए किया है, राइट, या फिर कोई और कोर्स किया है. जैसे अभी हम लोगों के हमारे साथ ही इसी ग्रुप में एक ने बताया कि जो है उसने कोई एक सर्टिफिकेशन लिया था और उसके बाद उन्होंने उसको पोस्ट किया है, राइट. सो यू गेट लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस टू पोस्ट इट, and then HR managers or hiring managers, they actually look through all these things and then they shortlist people based on the strength of LinkedIn profile, right. तो ये कभी कभी important हो जाता है कुछ condition के अंदर कि आप अपने LinkedIn profile को भी share कीजिए, right. And then you can reach out to the industry leadership as well. On a personal level, you can network with the people and then you can also try to seek for various advices and various suggestions from industry experts as well. You can see here we have created, like there are two portions which are there. Left side is the company page, right side is the personal profile page. Now what happens to create a company page? You have to create a company page, you have to have a personal profile page. And और personal profile page में भी आप देखें तो यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे कि जो पर्सनल प्रोफाइल है उसके अंदर नाम के साथ साथ जिस पोजीशन पे है, जिस कंपनी में है और प्रीवियस कंपनीज का भी इंफॉर्मेशन वहां पे दिख के आ रहे हैं, विच लोकेशन शी इज, वेयर शी इज लोकेटेड. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स विल बी विजिबल. तो जब कोई सॉर्टिंग करता है, जब कोई सर्च कर रहा होता है, तो ये सारी चीजें आपके जो प्रोफाइल पे रहता है उसी हिसाब से मैच करते हुए लिंक्डइन में सर्च रिजल्ट शो करता है, राइट. सो यू कैन शोकेस योर n number of employment that you have already gone through. जहां जहां कंपनीज में आपने काम किया है वो सारी चीजें आप लिस्ट कर सकते हैं. और अगर आप इसके अलावा भी आपके पास कुछ और इंफॉर्मेशन है वो भी आप लिस्ट कर सकते हैं. we'll be looking into all these aspects one after the other. बट कंपनी के अंदर क्या है कि कंपनी पेजेस, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ बिजनेसेस व्हिच आर हैपनिंग ऑन लिंक्डइन. और जब आप पेड कैंपेन लिंक्डइन पे करेंगे तो वो आप पर्सनल प्रोफाइल पेज पे नहीं कर सकते. यू हैव टू हैव अ कंपनी पेज टू रन अ पेड कैंपेन. तो आपको कंपनी पेज क्रिएट करना ही पड़ेगा व्हेन यू वांट टू रन अ कैंपेन ऑन लिंक्डइन. देयर आर वेरियस कंपनीज on LinkedIn and you can actually identify companies of your interest and start following them as well. जैसे यहाँ पे है कि आप अपने एम्प्लॉयज के बारे में भी पोस्ट कर सकते हो और आप अपने बारे में भी पोस्ट कर सकते हो, किसी टॉपिक के बारे में पोस्ट कर सकते हो. यू कैन राइट वाइट पेपर एंड पोस्ट इट ओवर हियर. और गुड पार्ट विद लिंक्डइन इज यू कैन पोस्ट इमेज, यू कैन पोस्ट डॉक्यूमेंट्स एज वेल. दूसरे प्लेटफॉर्म पे अगर हम फेसबुक की बात करें तो वहां आप इमेजेस और वीडियोस अपलोड कर सकते हैं, वेयर एज लिंक्डइन गिव्स यू एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू अपलोड डॉक्यूमेंट्स एज वेल, राइट. तो अगर आपका पीडीएफ है या पीपीटी है उसको भी आप अपलोड कर सकते हैं, राइट. तो ये जो थोड़ा सा सीनियर लेवल पे लोग आ जाते हैं वो ऑफ कोर्स जिस तरह से ट्विटर का ऑडियंस है उसी तरह से लिंक्डइन का भी एक ऑडियंस है. दे ट्राई टू maintain their LinkedIn profile very up to date, and then they also try to publish lot of news about their company on LinkedIn so that it reaches on a personal on a professional level. इसको प्रोफेशनल ब्रॉडकास्टिंग प्लेटफॉर्म के तौर पे भी यूज किया जाता है, because something going from a company page makes more validity rather than going from any other social media platform, right. इसमें आपको एक चीज ये है कि what we have to more focus on is to use a professional photograph of yours. Unlikely Facebook के अंदर हम कैजुअल फोटोग्राफ या Instagram के अंदर हम कैजुअल फोटोग्राफ्स यूज करते हैं, जो कि LinkedIn पे हमें नहीं करना है. यानी big no, that it's not that you cannot upload that kind of photograph, you can upload, but as a standard practice, you should upload your professional photographs, right? And then followed by that, update all information, what company you work for, what industry is your interest, what are your interest areas, what are your skill sets areas, right? और किस कंपनी के लिए आपने काम किए हैं, connect that with the company page and try to start engaging people who are in and around that particular company, who could be ex of that particular company or who are working for that particular company. You can start updating all these things, right? You can join various groups and see what are the opportunities which are there. Lot of companies are actually posting their business requirements. Say for example, they are looking for web developer, or they are looking for some kind of web development company, or they are looking for digital marketing agencies, or they are looking for recruitment companies, or they are looking for any kind of clothing requirement, right? So lot of postings are happening in various groups. So if you start joining groups of your interest, you'll be able to see requirements coming in, and then you can actually respond to that. There are various business services which are also available on LinkedIn. One, as I said, that you can post about you can advertise about your company. Second is you can post jobs on this particular platform, paid jobs. Third thing is Sales Navigator, where sales executives are using it most, and then they can reach out to the decision maker in terms of communicating with them on Messenger or on email, right? So there are various business services offered by LinkedIn also, and then you can actually get benefited out of it. Most importantly, we keep updating our personal page. हम अपना personal page तो चाहे Facebook का है, चाहे Insta का है, या Twitter का है, या LinkedIn का है, most of the time we keep it up to date, whereas business page जो हमारा रहता है, company page रहता है, वो हमारा बहुत ज़्यादा updated नहीं रहता है, right? So what we recommend, be it a smaller company or bigger company, try to keep updated your business page on a frequent basis, because that creates an impact. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि कोई आके आपको ये कहता है कि भाई आपका LinkedIn पेज तो पिछले 3 महीने से अपडेटेड नहीं है. I am not able to see any post since last 2 months or 3 months. Is your company still active, right? So if you are really serious and want to be in the business, आप अपना कंपनी पेज जो क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, it carries the same process. जैसे आपने फेसबुक के अंदर बिजनेस पेज बनाया था, वैसे ही यहाँ पे भी बनाने का ऑप्शन होता है, ठीक है? उसके लिए मैं आपको बता दूंगा कि कहाँ पे जाके आप क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, बट प्रोसेस रिमेन्स सेम, राइट? तो उस तरह से आप लोग इस चीज को कर सकते हैं. नंबर ऑफ पीपल हु आर वर्किंग विद, कौन कहाँ हेडक्वार्टर है, किस तरह की कंपनी है, क्या है, वो सारी चीजें आप यहाँ पे अपडेट कर सकते हैं. आप किस तरह के स्पेसिफिकेशंस में हैं, आप अपने स्किल सेट्स को अपडेट कर सकते हैं, आप अपने एम्प्लॉयज के स्किल सेट्स को अपडेट कर सकते हैं. Any new announcement that you want to make it, everything is possible on LinkedIn. ये एक comparative chart है, right? कि business पे क्या, company page पे क्या कर सकते हैं, personal page पे क्या कर सकते हैं. But more or less you understand that if you want to search people based on company, जो कि अलग-अलग companies में काम कर रहे हैं, you can do that. People you want to search based on location, on designation basis you want to search people, you can do that. तो ये एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां कि आप बहुत ही नैरो टारगेटिंग कर सकते हैं कि अगर आप सिर्फ CTOs को अपना ऐड दिखाना चाहते हैं या उनसे आप कनेक्ट होना चाहते हैं, you can do that. If you want to make it to a particular company, people who are working for a particular company or particular kind of company, तो say for example सिर्फ आप हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री के लोगों को आप अपना ऐड दिखाना चाह रहे हैं, तो आप वो भी कर सकते हैं. अगर आप ट्रैवल एंड टूरिज्म को दिखाना चाहते हैं तो आप वो भी कर सकते हैं. If you want to showcase travel and tourism and that to decision makers which are CEOs and CXOs, then you can do that as well. तो आपके पास यहाँ पे इतना डिटेल टारगेटिंग करने का ऑप्शन किसी और प्लेटफॉर्म पे नहीं मिलता. इररेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम पे बहुत सारे लोग अपने कंपनी के इंफॉर्मेशन को अपडेट नहीं करते हैं, whereas on LinkedIn they do it, and when they are shifting their companies as well, उस चीज को भी लोग अनाउंस करते हैं यूजिंग LinkedIn. Good part is, say for example you have 200, 300 or 1000 friends or 1000 connections in your LinkedIn, and if you are updating something on LinkedIn, goes as a notification to all of the guys who are connected with you on LinkedIn. Automatic notification will go unless until you disable that notification in settings, right? तो इससे क्या होता है कि आपके कोई भी अपडेट्स हैं, जो भी आप अपने LinkedIn के ऊपर अपडेट करते हो, वो ऑटोमेटिकली आपके कनेक्ट्स को चला जाता है। वेदर यू आर मेकिंग अ पोजीशन चेंज, मतलब एक कंपनी छोड़ के आप दूसरी कंपनी ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, या आपके उसी कंपनी के अंदर पोजीशन के अंदर चेंजेस आए हैं, या आप कुछ और चीज पोस्ट कर रहे हैं, सो इट ऑटोमेटिकली ट्रिगर्स एंड इट गोज टू ऑलमोस्ट ऑल ऑफ द पीपल हु आर कनेक्टेड विद यू ऑन लिंक्डइन। लिंक्डइन के अंदर भी आप लीड जनरेशन प्रोसेस कर सकते हो। वन इज ऑर्गेनिक विच इज रीचिंग आउट द पीपल इंडिविजुअली, और फिर उसके बाद आप एक एक करके आप उनसे कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हो। दूसरा, आप ऐड क्रिएट कर सकते हो, जैसा कि हम नॉर्मली फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम के अंदर या ट्विटर के लिए अभी हमने देखा ऐड क्रिएट कर सकते हैं। तो ये सारी चीजें हम लोग कर सकते हैं। सो टुमारो विल बी मोर लुकिंग ऑन इन टर्म्स ऑफ क्रिएटिंग एड्स ऑन लिंक्डइन, एंड लिंक्डइन का बिजनेस प्रोफाइल किस तरह से हम क्रिएट कर सकते हैं उसके बारे में हम कल देखेंगे। सो फॉर नाउ देयर आर टू एक्टिविटीज विच आई विल सजेस्ट। वन इज ट्विटर के बारे में ऑलरेडी हम लोग मैं बोल चुका हूँ, ट्विटर के बारे में ऑलरेडी मैं बोल चुका हूँ, बट लिंक्डइन के बारे में भी यही है कि आप linkedin.com पे जाके आप अपने प्रोफाइल को क्रिएट कीजिए, जहाँ के आपके बारे में भी इंफॉर्मेशन डालना है, और वो सारी चीज़ों को आप ऑप्टिमाइज कर लीजिए। वहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं। मैं ये जो अभी आपको मैंने पीपीटी दिखाया है वो भी मैं ग्रुप में शेयर कर दूंगा, बट एट द सेम टाइम जब आप पर्सनल प्रोफाइल जब आप क्रिएट कर रहे होंगे, वहाँ आपको एजुकेशन, आपके कॉलेजिंग, आपकी स्कूलिंग, आपकी कॉलेज कहाँ से हुई है, आपकी स्कूलिंग कहाँ से हुई है, आपका इंटरेस्ट क्या है, मोर अबाउट योर सेल्फ, योर अकॉम्प्लिशमेंट्स, आपने किसी प्रोजेक्ट पे काम किया है उसका भी अकॉम्प्लिशमेंट आप वहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं, सर्टिफिकेशंस आपने अचीव किया है वो आप अपडेट कर सकते हैं, राइट। यू कैन पुट सेल, आप अपनी तरफ से अपने स्किल्स को अपडेट कर सकते हैं। वहाँ पे स्किल्स के रिलेटेड क्विज होते हैं, अगर आप उसको क्वालिफाई कर लेते हैं तो आपके वो बैचेस भी आपको लिंक्डइन विल से दैट ओके फाइन वी हैव क्लियर दिस। So there are a lot of options which are available on LinkedIn. Try to explore it, and this is little open kind of discussion that we'll be having tomorrow. कि LinkedIn पे आपने क्या explore किया है, कैसे किया है, and then we'll be also discussing about LinkedIn के ऊपर business page आप कैसे create कर सकते हैं, वहाँ से फिर आगे कैसे बढ़ा जा सकता है, वहाँ पे ads कैसे create कर सकते हैं। But practically speaking, अगर हम पूरे social media या फिर दूसरे digital platform की बात करें, तो Facebook and Instagram are the cheapest in terms of running ads. Rest of the platforms are way costly. So जैसे Twitter के अंदर मैंने कहा कि at least it goes with $100 or $200 से वो शुरू ही होता है. So that is something like that. Similarly in LinkedIn also it is little costly. You can start with couple of hundreds, but safe example उसके अंदर होता है 600 रुपए 700 रुपए पर डे से आप शुरू कर सकते हो. But little more focused, more narrow targeting, बहुत ही minutely target कर सकते हैं आप अपने LinkedIn के ads को, और वहां तक फिर आप reach out कर सकते हैं. Right. So that's all for today. In case you have any questions for today, you can ask, or we'll connect again.
सर मोस्टली ट्विटर ब्रांड्स इसलिए ही यूज करते हैं ताकि कंप्लेंट्स वगैरह जो है क्विकली सॉल्व करते हैं उस पे।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
मोस्टली कंप्लेंट सॉल्व करने के लिए ही ब्रांड्स ट्विटर
अकाउंट को यूज करते हैं। करेक्ट।
That's it, sir.
Yeah, that's okay. No, it is correct, and you have raised it correctly, because Twitter के ऊपर handle करना भी आसान है और उसको देखना भी आसान है, and there is a shift that has happened in the corporate world as well, कि लोग टोल फ्री नंबर पे कंप्लेन लेने की जगह पे अब ट्विटर पे कंप्लेन ले रहे हैं।
Exactly.
Right, because वहां से दो एडवांटेज है, एक तो ये है कि कंप्लेन्स आर विजिबल टू ऑल मासेस, तो ब्रांड ये नहीं चाहते कि उनका ब्रांड डैमेज हो। दूसरा, मतलब एक ही एक्सेस को, यानी बहुत सारे लोग उसको मैनेज कर सकते हैं यूजिंग वेरियस एक्सेस राइट्स, राइट। तो इस तरह से भी आप अपने ब्रांड को सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं, राइट। वेल सेड। सो हम लोग कल फिर इसी टाइम पे सुबह 8:30 पे मिलेंगे, एंड देन विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट बिजनेस वर्जन ऑफ लिंक्डइन। इन द मीन टाइम अगर आप लोग अपना पर्सनल वर्जन भी क्रिएट कर लें, पर्सनल प्रोफाइल लिंक्डइन पे क्रिएट कर लें, दैट विल बी ग्रेट हेल्प फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. थैंक यू गाइस, टेक केयर, हैव अ ग्रेट डे. अल्लाह हाफिज.